Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: battery level, app access, and proximity. Open the lock app and sign in if required. This establishes a secure session. Once done, wake the lock by pressing its button or approaching with the phone to trigger Bluetooth. Make sure the deadbolt is aligned with the strike plate so the motor can engage smoothly. Misalignment causes failed attempts. Now, tap the lock icon to initiate the lock command and watch. You now perform the core action: send the lock command. If using the app, press the lock icon and observe the progress indicator. This shows communication and motor activity. If using a keypad, enter your code and press lock. This bypasses the phone when needed. Once the motor starts, hold steady. Avoid pulling the door. If you use a voice assistant, listen for the confirmation phrase so you know the command reached the lock. Make sure the deadbolt fully extends. You finish by confirming the lock. Check the bolt visually and watch the app readout for a locked status. If it doesn't lock, wait 10 seconds and retry the command. Transient wireless issues often clear. If retries fail, use the physical key to secure the door and then troubleshoot. Replace batteries, check mechanical alignment of the strike plate, and reboot the lock or phone app to restore connectivity. Keep a manual key handy until you're confident the electronic lock is reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.